Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and use Northern Trust online reporting tools. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first things first, if you haven't already, download and install the Wealth Password application and make sure that you're logged in into your account. Then all you need to do is simply go ahead and navigate to the Reports and Documents tab and select a report center. Then all you need to do is choose to create a new report from the master library or use existing report from my report library. Also utilize the drill down filter, search boxes and folder structures to select specific reports. You can also modify columns, groupings, and sorting order to tailor the report to specific needs, then save these configurations. Simply click on Run Action button on a report to generate data. Results can also be retrieved in the completed reports or quick view sections. I hope this video clarifies everything that you needed to know. If it did, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.